बोलो।
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians are
my brother
my brothers
and sister.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of is rich and very taste.
and very taste.
And always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
As my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
As I tell everyone,
I shall treat everyone
we got this
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and my people.
and my people.
I play my devotion
I praise my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
and my happiness.
lies my happiness.
लो दीजिए।
Thank you, ma'am.